Hey there! I wanted to share some valuable information about contact tracing. It's important to know what a contact tracer is and what you should do if you are contacted by one. A contact tracer is someone whose job it is to talk to people who've gotten sick or may have been around someone who's gotten sick with the COVID-19 virus to find out where they may have been exposed. The purpose of contact tracers is to provide information and support. It's a really important role for preventing the spread of a virus. In Oregon, local public health authorities use contact tracing to prevent the spread of many types of diseases, including the measles. Contact tracers help you stay healthy and slow the spread of COVID-19 by talking with you about how to prevent the spread of the virus, including staying home or at a location provided by public health until the danger is past. This is known as quarantining. They also can provide health information on how to care for yourself and others if you start having symptoms. They can be a great help by sharing resources available in your community that can support you while you quarantine. You may receive a call if you've been diagnosed with COVID-19 or if you may have been in contact with someone who was diagnosed with COVID-19. Unless you've gotten sick, you may not know that you've been around someone with the virus, because many people don't have symptoms. This is why it's so important to wash your hands often, be careful not to touch your face, and wear a mask or face covering. You may be hesitant to answer questions from contact tracers, so it's important to know who you're talking to, what types of information they will ask, and what to do if you're not sure the caller is a contact tracer. Please know, your privacy will be protected. Your information is confidential and will be treated as a confidential public health record. Your information will not be shared with any other agencies. If you get a call from a contact tracer, you'll be asked what county you live in, your date of birth, your contact information, including phone number, email address, and your mailing address, your job, whether you have symptoms of COVID-19, and your race, ethnicity, language, and disability information. You should never be asked for your Social Security number, immigration status, credit card number, bank account, or billing information. If you're concerned about answering a call from a number you don't know, let the number go to voicemail. A contact tracer will leave a message clearly identifying themselves, and they'll ask that you call them back. The voicemail will not contain any health information. If you suspect fraud, hang up the phone. Don't answer any other calls from that number. Report the activity and learn tips to avoid fraud by visiting the Federal Trade Commission online at www.consumer.ftc.gov. You can also learn about emerging scams and report the incident to the Oregon Department of Justice online at www.oregonconsumer.gov. The role of a contact tracer in helping our communities manage and recover from the COVID-19 pandemic is especially important. The goal is to provide resources and trace how the virus is being spread in the communities. Remember, they're here to help and will never ask for information about your Social Security number, bank accounts, or credit card information. If you receive a call, please don't panic. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get sick. Listen to what the contact tracer wants to share with you. Learn more about how to protect yourself and supply the information they need to keep all of our communities healthy. Contact your services coordinator or personal agent if you have any further questions or concerns.